Hi, very good morning to one and all present here, my dear students and if faculty members have joined. Hi. So this is Dr. Abhishek Apaji. I am Institutional Research and Development Coordinator of BMS College of Engineering, and also I work in Department of Medical Electronics. So right now, if I'm right, we have almost around 300 plus participants. We'll be starting. So today we'll be discussing few things. First one is we'll be talking about how you can take your CIE exam while sitting at your home, and what is the procedure college has been adapted. As a student, what is the process you'll take. And second thing is you'll be also understanding for another 5 to 10 minutes about Coursera campus and edX, how you can take courses and what is a procedure you have to follow so that you can complement your learning using Coursera and edX. Also, as I've opened the home page of BMS College of Engineering, if you click on this BMS College of Engineering e-resources, you get number of resources from library. Please go through them and use it in day-to-day life. As principal has said in the previous meeting with you all students, please make sure you make use of all these things in your regular classes, as well as complement your learning. So having said this, let's first go to Classroom, Google Classroom. So how will you access Google Classroom? Please ensure that all of you are using your BMSCE email ID. If you're using your Gmail or any other personal email ID, your Google Classroom won't work. It will work, but you won't be able to access the examination, CIE, or any other materials which your faculty will upload. So first is go to your email ID which you have opened. So I've already received, I've opened my student email ID for example, and my teacher has sent me a email saying join the classroom. So already most of you would have got this information. If you have not got this kind of email from your teacher, just check with them and ask them if they can give you this uh, code which Google Classroom you can join. But all the faculties have been instructed that they send an invitation so that you can join it. And so I'll click on join. Once I click on join, it will go to Google Classroom. So it says it's not, you can't see it, but what you have to do is you have to go here and then change to your student email ID, because by default it goes and takes your Gmail which you have logged in, which your browser is synced. So now, yeah, so this is what you look at it. Another way of you going and taking the classes is go to this tab and then click on Google Classroom. So once you click on Google Classroom, you should be able to see this very tab, and then click. You should be able to go and see this classroom, and it will go at this place. Then you have to click on join. So once you join, you'll be able to access what all things have been shared by your faculty in this. So you have classwork. If there are some materials uploaded, it will show you what are the classworks you have. And the second thing is also it will show who are all your classmates if you have. So right now I have two of my classmates, just for random sake I've added two HODs just for demo purpose. Then you have here live stream which is going on with your classes, and anything else your faculty uploads that will be visible here. And then if you go inside this classwork, you have seen two things. First is your mock test, which is already over on May 8th, so you don't have option to take that. But right now, say for example, if today is your exam or today is your CIE at 10 a.m., then you'll be given almost 1.5 hours to write your exam on the piece of paper and then take it forward and scan it, and you have to upload it in your Google Classroom. So I'll show you the procedure how you will upload this in your Google Classroom so that it will be easier. So to repeat the steps what I've told till now, you have to go here, join the join the classroom, and after that you have to go here and then inside this you'll see classwork and then do it. So Again, I want to give caution that you should have logged in with your own email ID, which your student email ID of BMS College of Engineering. Any other email ID you can't join, you can't see the class. So once you have joined this, what time you should log in Google Classroom? I would suggest please log in at least 15 to 20 minutes before. Make sure your internet connection is good and you have good connectivity. In case your power goes, make sure you switch on your hotspot or any other things, so that you are very confident that you can take this test. All those minor things you can remove from your mind. So let's go to the one which is here. Say this is for second sem or eighth sem. This is just all random names which I have typed. So if you see here, you have to go and click on view assignment. As soon as you see view assignment, you can add or create here, but all those things you need not worry. You can just close all these things. And here what you are supposed to do is, you have to, these are some general instructions which your faculty has put, but this may vary from your semester, from your branch and from your course. So please read the instruction which your faculty have already uploaded in your Google Classroom. Here, few of the general instructions is already our controller of examination have already emailed all the students, in the sense it's already on the display board, digital display board of your portal. So please go through them carefully and comply to that. These are very general instructions which I have written here. So whenever you start your exam, even before you start your exam at 10 o'clock, maybe at 9:30 or so, you just write all the things like your inner facing sheet, your department, which program, which semester, your USN number, and what is the course, today's exam course code and course name, date, time and signature. Once you finish all these things and all the other sheets, you have to mention your page number, USN, and sign on all pages and write your question, question number very legibly and all those things. So these are very general instruction. You can you would have already received from your respective faculty, or you will receive soon. Don't wait for your exam to start at 10 o'clock. Before that only keep everything ready, keep your papers, pen, everything ready, and so that you are very confident in writing exam. And another recommendation we would like to give is use some apps like Cam Scanner from your mobile phone, so that you can just take and then take your answer sheet, scan it, because every cropping, enhancement, all image processing is done automatically, and it will make into one single PDF. So I'm sure most of you will use Cam Scanner. If not, please download it. It's available for all versions, either you're using iOS, Apple phones or Android phones, it's available. So once you finish these things, what you have to do is you have to download the question paper or view your question paper. If you click on this, you should be able to see the question paper here. So this is what is a question paper, random question paper I've just uploaded, what your faculties would have uploaded. What you can do is you can open a new window and keep it ready, or you can just go and print it also if you want as a PDF. So once you open this, you should be able to see the question paper and all the questions. Typically the same method is followed for as your previous CIE. The question paper pattern is part A, part B, part C. It's almost the same. So once you finish answering, you should be able to complete within 1 hour 15 minutes, the regular time. Finish all the things, make sure you recheck everything, and you will be given additional 15 minutes to scan and upload. Because a few of you may have some difficulties, so additional 15 minutes is given by the college. So once you finish this, you have to go to answer submission for second whatever answer submissions, and then upload your answer script. So this is what you have to do it. Go add the file. There is a command here which you have seen here, a box kind of thing. Just say add the file. I'll zoom it out for you to make sure that you see it properly. So, and here also it will say make sure that you have already logged in with your email ID. If you're not from that email ID, then there will be problem, and if it won't open also if you're not using the BMSCE email ID, even this link. So after this, you say add file, then select files from your device, and I have stored it in my downloads, my answer sheet. So I'll just upload it in my file. It hardly takes a couple of seconds to upload. after you click upload. And once you have uploaded, make sure that it has a single PDF. So Cam Scanner has this option which is completely free, where you can take entire your all the sheets whatever you have, scan it one by one and compile into one PDF and save it. Either you can upload using your mobile phone or you can use your computer to upload it. And if you don't have a laptop, we got some students complaining that they don't have laptop or desktop at home. Google Classroom is also available as an app in your mobile phone, both Android and iOS version. You can download and keep it, make sure you're joined everything so you need not be under tension at the time of exam. Then at the end, there is one statement which is known as undertaking. All faculties would have uploaded this, that you agree that I have not used any other resources other than what is permitted in this exam and have completely written on my own with the utmost integrity. In case the course instructor or the college finds that I was involved in any conventional, innovative or other kinds of malpractice, I am completely aware of consequences and repercussions. So this statement you have to just say agree and then submit it. If you just don't say agree and then try to submit, it won't take it. So one important thing you should note is this is not an open book exam, as your faculties and HODs would have already informed. In case you have some doubts, please reach out to your course instructor, your faculty or your HOD, or if you're from first year, even first year dean is available for you to help you out. So, or any other faculties whom you think they can help you. So once you have done all these things, make sure this is visible. If not, and ensure that you have uploaded the correct answer sheet, and then click on submit. Once you click on submit, it will tell that yes, your response has been recorded, and you can go back to your assignment. It will go back to your classroom. Again, the problem is because I'm using multiple Gmails, so you have to go back to your classroom, and so you have already submitted this. Once you got submitted, then you have to click on mark as done. So the faculty will get to know that you have already completed it. Okay, don't add any additional sheets or anything. So that once you have completed, and do not upload your answer sheet here, but upload in the Google form which is given by your faculty, that is this. So once you submit it, your faculty will get a notification that you have completed the exam. So these are few instructions for Google Classroom. So quickly, within a couple of minutes, let's revise what I had discussed till now. So first thing is you have to go to your email ID, click on join, then it will open your classroom, which is this. Yeah. So once you click join, then it will open the classroom. Or if you're already, many of the faculties are using Google Classroom as a learning management system to interact with the students. So you have to just click on join classroom here, and then it goes to this place, and then you have to go to classwork, and here you will be having the assignment. Even in the stream also it would have been posted if you don't want to go to classwork, and then view assignment. Then you make sure all the things are ready even before the exam. You have to click here to view your question paper. So you have seen your question paper, then you have to say answer submission assignment, and if you try to do it by again, it will say that you have already responded. So please do not try to do it first time only. Ensure that you are accurately doing everything correctly. So once you have done the submission, then you have to come back to your assignment and then say submit. After that, you are done with the exam, then you can go to close your Google Classroom and prepare for the next exam. So this is what is the Google Classroom. Very simple. We have made sure that all of you, even first years and all the semester students, can do it very easily. And the reason why we are using Google Classroom is it's very secure. BMSCE has the enterprise version of Google Suite, as well as it requires very less bandwidth. So even people who have very less bandwidth or who are getting 2G connections also can try to do it with little extra time. So 15 minutes is what been allotted for you to do it. So in case you have some difficulty in accessing anything, please inform your faculty immediately so that they can take appropriate correction action if required. So this is about your Google Classroom and how do you do your exams. So having said this for around 15 minutes, I want to go now next to, if you have any doubts, yeah, as I said, talk to your faculties, they'll be happy to help. Next thing is, we are happy to say that we have already informed all the students as well as faculties that we have we have partnered with Coursera and Edex, the top MOOC platform, massive open online platform, courses platform, which we have collaborated and partnered with this. So we are continuously trying to help the students even in spite of lockdown. So first one which I told you is go to BMSCE website. You can see amazing set of resources. Second thing is you also have BMS College of Engineering partnered with Coursera and Edex. Many of you have already signed up. I see that Coursera, we have almost 2,500 students who have already signed up, and faculties also. And Edex also we have maybe around 500 or 800 students who have signed up. But still we are keeping it open so that you can complete a few courses which can complement your learning during this lockdown period. So let's discuss a little bit for 5 to 10 minutes about Coursera and Edex. How do you access them? So Coursera was started by a couple of professors, including the famous machine learning professor Andrew Ng from Stanford University in 2012. Edex it was brainchild of Anant Agarwal, again a faculty at MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology in USA, and Harvard University. They partnered together and started Edex. So these two are the best MOOC platform currently available, and we are giving you the best from BMS College of Engineering. So the URL for that is this, and for Coursera and for Edex is direct Edex. And do you require email ID for BMSCE email ID? Yes, for both Coursera and Edex, it works only with BMSCE email ID. If it is not, you don't have, then please contact Mr. Bhaktavatsala. Submit your ID card or some proof that you are a student of BMS College of Engineering. But as far as our knowledge goes, most of the students, all of the students have BMSCE email ID. You have access for the enterprise version of BMS College of Engineering Google Suite. We have whopping 5,000 licenses for both Coursera and Edex. But for Coursera, we have only one license and multiple courses you can take. There are almost 3,780 courses. Recently, this week, 40 more courses has been added. I'll update you over Telegram group which we are using. So each license, multiple courses you can take. So one license is allotted to one student, and you can take multiple courses in that for free. End of it, you can get a certificate also of your whatever dream course which you are planning to take. But unlike Coursera, in Edex we have only one coupon, only once per course. So I'll be giving some alphanumeric coupon through email to all of the students who have registered. And once you register and you get that, you will be getting that coupon of 16 digits or something like that, 12 digits I guess, that you have to go and check out in your dashboard whenever you take it. Next, how many courses you can take? As I said, unlimited courses, all 3,780 courses you can take. If you want to take something on English, professional language, or you want to take something on related to machine learning, most of the courses are available. Almost Coursera totally has 4,500 or something. We have got almost 90-95% of courses for you on your computer. Then for this one, we have only one course available for one student or faculty because we only have 5,000 coupon code available. But what we have seen in Coursera, in spite it's been started like more than 15-20 days back, we have only half of the license usage. So what we have thought is we'll give you more if you finish your edX course. So we'll be floating another form for that if you want to take that course. But only thing is finish one edX course and then apply for additional coupon, because we don't want the coupons to go waste if you're not completing it. So in Coursera, you can take any number of courses. One license is enough for all the courses. When can you enroll this? Last date of enrollment, which means I'll show you in the Coursera that as soon as you go, you have to enroll for a course before 30th July. After 30th July, again, our BMSC license partnership may get extended, but we are not sure. But it will expire after 30th July. But here, the coupon redeeming has to be done before 30th June. For example, if the course is starting from today and you're not sure within 2 days you can't complete it, then at that time, oops, I'm sorry. So in case you're not able to complete it within the prescribed I'll just zoom it out for you. Okay. In case you you can use the coupon right away and then redeem it. But if you have, you're not sure that you will complete within some maybe a couple of months from there, it's okay. You can complete it when the course ends. So here, self-paced courses are available. Here, not many of them are self-paced, but there are few self-paced courses like CS50 by Harvard University, one of the famous courses in edX. So you can take that, which is self-paced. But there are few courses where you have to follow the weeks and the timelines and all those things. For that, you can do it. But make sure you redeem the coupon before 30th and decide which course you want to take. But if you have, it depends on the course you registered, the last date. Here, you have to complete all the courses which you have enrolled before 30th September and get your certificates. But here, it depends on the course you registered. If it starts from say 1st February, 1st May or something, and then it will end in September 30th. So it depends on that course. So you can take it whenever it ends. It is not restricted like this to complete within September. So what are the steps you have to do in Coursera? So you have to go to this URL that I've already listed. I have opened it for you before, what you can see right here. Once you go here, you have to click on join for free, which means that either you can, first thing is when you say join for free, don't use your email ID which you have set up. If you have used BMSC email ID, please go ahead and do it. But if not, you create one for BMSC email ID. So I'll put my name and then I'll put my email ID and then password, some password whichever you want, and then say join for free. Because I've already logged in, what I'll do is I'll just say login. As soon as you click on login, you will get a pop-up join the program. That's when you have to join the program of BMS College of Engineering, Bangalore. So if you have not joined the program by using the link which I've showed you, then you won't be able to access the courses. Then you can go and select whatever courses you want. Say I want R programming, introduction. There is multiple courses. The first column here, what you're able to see, first row, is all the courses which are requested by BMS College of Engineering students and faculties, which you think you wanted. But these are few of the default courses which you can take. If you go on, the list is really huge, you can go and take it. So for example, if I want to take something on Agile meets design thinking, so you have to just click on that and it will say enroll for free and sponsored by BMS College of Engineering. You have to just click on enroll, and then immediately you'll get an email to your inbox, and then you can go to courses and start your courses and then take all the quiz and complete all the 4 weeks, 5 weeks depending on the course, and then finish your courses. So this is on Coursera. So very easy. You have to just go to this website which I've already shared with you guys, and then I'll also email all the student members to again if you have missed this particular document which has everything what you want. And also we have uploaded the step-by-step guide in a PDF form. You can just go and look at that. Now, next thing is we have Edex. Edex is another platform. I have opened it for you, and you have to just log in with your BMS ID. And then if you want to upgrade this, so you would have already enrolled it, or you can explore new courses. So once you click on explore new courses, you can just search. Maybe I want to take Python programming for everyone, and it will show. So whenever you are doing it, check if it is self-paced course. What is self-paced course? Which is starting right now at the time when you started. but there may be few courses like the one which was loading here. There are few courses which starts at particular time, or which starts at later date, May 26th, and which starts here. So you can take any course you want, but the coupon code which you are trying to take it, you should redeem it immediately. So you have to say enroll, which will start from today, because it's a self-paced course. So once you enroll it, either you can audit or pursue the verified track. I will select pursue the verified track because this is already part of BMSCE license. And then once you say that, you need not fill any of these things. You have to just say and then try to apply the coupon here. So you have to apply the coupon code here, and then whatever coupon code you have got it, and then say apply, you will be getting $0 here. I have applied some random coupon, that's why I'm getting discounts on randomly, but you can get free $0, and then you say place order, you have the access to entire courses there. So this is about edX. And before anything, how will you get your coupon is, there is a form which I have already showed it to you. If I have already filled it once, it won't come, or what I can do is I will edit it because I'm admin for this. So these are the questions. Write your name, please don't write college name here. So we have 682 people already registered. And then write your USN number, what category you are in, which department you are in, which year of study, and then say submit. This will receive, and every day in the evening I'm trying to send coupons to all the students who have registered. So this is what you are supposed to see this form, okay? So once you submit this form, I'll get the notification, and every day evening I'll be sending you the coupons. So, okay, now let's see a few other things. This is 16-digit coupon, as I said. You should use this and copy paste it. Here also there is a manual of step-by-step process how you will access it. Now, how do you find the list of courses which are available as part of BMSCE license? You have to click here. It goes to catalog of BMS College of Engineering. If you go here, you can click on this and you get a huge list of almost 800 plus. The courses have been offered by, you want Harvard University, Delft University, Netherlands, Georgia Tech, Harvard University, you want courses from MIT, you want course from industry from IBM, you want some from Indian University, IIM Bangalore, IIT Bombay, and so on and so forth. See, MIT courses. So all these are available for you, and the cost of this, if you see on this column price, there are super expensive courses, but for you we are getting it for free. It's just like it goes up to $250 per course, or $300 also I've seen somewhere. So you just go through this list, whichever you like it, go and sign up, and you can use the code. So this code, whatever we send it to you, make sure you use it, don't waste the code. And so in case you have any questions or doubts, we have opened some of the public Telegram group, because Telegram allows maximum number of students, more than maybe 250,000 or something. So you can just join this to Telegram group so that we'll be able to interact. So if you want new courses which are not available in this catalog, you can request in the Telegram group, and I'll be happy to add them in the Edex, both Coursera platform. One thing, remember that unfortunately some of the courses which most of you people are asking, like Stanford University courses, Machine Learning by Andrew Ng is not available, but deeplearning.ai is available. There you check if you get some courses, or some other machine learning by some other professor. All courses are really amazing. If you have the IBM certification or specialization courses are not available. Many of the civil students have asked me construction project management. This is again a little tough for us to get that. It's not part of BMSCE partnership. We have also robotics course which is not available part of BMSCE partnership. And if you want Any extra courses apart from the 800 plus course we have, we unfortunately that's not available for BMSC. But please take any course. I mean, all the courses are really good. Forget about the university which you are taking, but all the courses are amazingly curated. I personally have taken many courses and got the certificates. As I said, if you don't have BMSCE email ID, please email to Mr. Bhaktavatsala Data Center. He'll be happy to get you the access. And here we have almost 2,500 plus licenses we have issued, and here we have almost 700 plus licenses already issued. So we still have out of 5,000 licenses, and here out of 5,000 licenses, I hope all of you will register as soon as possible, because this licenses will drain out, and we are sending email today or tomorrow again about all these details what we had discussed. So with this, I guess I'm done for the day, and as requested, go to the both your Google Classroom and then sign up. That's the summary. And second thing is, you have a lot of Edex and Coursera courses. Please go and sign up for that. And with this, whatever I wanted to convey in the half an hour of time, I've already conveyed. So if you have any questions, as I said, please talk to your faculties, HODs, and any other details if you want. They are the right person who can help you out. So thanks a lot, and thank you all for listening to me for this webinar, and by this we'll close. Thank you again for attending. Bye.